ready. 5 seconds. Start. I have had the advantage of reading the judgment of my learned brother Mullah J. Stowe. Om Prakash, who has come up in revision, was a divisional accountant in the Sharda Canal Sitapur section, and in that capacity he was entrusted with government monies Stowe. On an inspection of the accounts by the accounts officer, it was discovered that certain sums of money amounting to rupees 1 lakh had been embezzled by the applicant Stowe. He reported the matter to the officer of the Connaught department, who handed over the case to the police with the result that after investigation the application was prosecuted for offences under section 409 and other sections of the Indian Penal Code Stowe. He was tried in the court of Sri Abul Muqtadir, a magistrate of the first class Sitapur Stowe. At the trial, the applicant pleaded that he should have been prosecuted and tried for an offence under section 5 (1) C Prevention of Corruption Act (2) of 1947 and not under the general law Stowe. The other plea raised was that the applicant could not be prosecuted without previous sanction of the Accountant General, and as no sanction had been obtained, it vitiated the trial Stowe. The defense plea found favor with the trial court, who discharged the accused, holding that the applicant should have been prosecuted under the Prevention of Corruption Act 2 of 1947 and that the trial under the general law was therefore, improper, on behalf of the state. The matter was taken up in revision, and the learned additional sessions judge who heard the revision held that the prosecution of the applicant under the provisions of section 409 IPC Stowe was quite valid. Stowe. The result was that the additional session judge directed the magistrate to proceed with the inquiry of the case in accordance with law Stowe. Dissatisfied with the order, the applicant filed a revision to this court Stowe. When the revision came up for hearing before a division bench of this court, is decided to refer the case to a full bench in view of the importance of the questions involved in the case Stowe. The points that arise for consideration are 3 Stowe. Whether section 5 (C) (1) of the Special Act 2 of 1947 pro tanto repealed section 409 IPC in its application to public servants Stowe. Whether Article 14 of the Constitution is infringed if the accused is tried under the general law Stowe. Whether the applicant could not be prosecuted for an offence under section 409 IPC without the previous sanction of the proper authority Stowe. The first question for determination is whether after the coming into force of the Prevention of Corruption Act of 1947 and so long as it was allowed to remain in force, section 409, IPC in so far as it related to offences by public servants stood repealed Stowe. Section 5 (1) C is to the following effect Stowe. A public servant is said to commit the offence of criminal misconduct in the discharge of his duty Stowe stanza.